Hi guys. Oof, I've started. I hope you guys are fine. And I just started fitness journey. And guys, I'm so unfit. It's not even funny. I can't even do a plank, a mere plank. And this is serious because I can't even carry my body. I was someone who was very, very much so active, but after 2020 COVID, child, I've gained 10 kg and I'm so unfit, and I hope that I won't give up on myself. I'll just be patient. And yeah. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Konimaphalaphatwa. If you're new here, please do subscribe, share, like, and comment. And if you're coming back, Queen King, what do you do? Welcome back home. Guys, the love is too much and I'm loving it. And I know there are people who are watching my videos but they haven't subscribed yet. Please do subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. Take me to 1k, hashtag 1k for Konie. Anyways guys, as you saw by the title of the video, today I'm here to tell you that I've made it. Yes, I've made it. So without wasting any time, let's just get straight into the video. So guys, you here to understand and know and the formula, everything, the secrets of my weight loss journey. Guys, there is no secret in losing weight. There is no secret in losing weight. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos here on YouTube, people telling you that you will lose 5 kg or 10 kg within 2 weeks. Child, unless if you're taking any medication or any pill or whatever you're taking, but if you doing the method that I did, it won't be 2 weeks, to be honest. It won't be 2 weeks. However, I'm here to say I've made it guys. So yeah guys, the technique in losing weight is what you eat, to be honest. What you take inside the body, it's very important. It doesn't matter if you work out 2 days, 2 hours per day, in the morning, in the afternoon. It doesn't matter how many times you work out, but if you're eating horrible, I'm telling you, my subscribers, my queen and my kings, you won't get the result that you want. I'm saying this because I was doing it. I remember I started working out last year at around November, December. That's when I started working out because I wanted to get my body, to prepare my body to be ready before I changed my diet. So guys, there's no thing called diet for 2 weeks, because what's one, you lose weight for 2 weeks and then go back and eat junk, back to square one. So don't tell yourself that you are dieting. No, tell yourself that this is my lifestyle. Okay, tell yourself that I have to change. So anyways, I started working out at December. While I was working out, believe me you, I was still eating, and I was eating anything that I want. So I was basically just wasting my time. Because there was no result, nothing. I will sweat, I will work out in the morning, I'll work out in the afternoon, in the evening, but still I couldn't see results because of the things that I was eating. So I was just wasting my time. As they say, I think it's 30% or 20% of what you eat, and then the other percent, no, 20%, 30% working out, and then the other percent it's what you eat. That is true. It's true. It's not a lie. It's true. They're not lying. It's true. So at around January, I was still doing the same strategy. It was not working, and I knew that I was playing myself. I was just preparing my body to be ready that, hey Miguel, okay, we are about to change. And when I tell you that, if you're telling yourself that I'm doing this for 2 weeks, I'm cutting takeaways, I'm cutting junk, and I'm going to a strict diet, it won't work. It won't work. Be ready mentally and physically. So after January, February, I was still doing this same thing. March, that's when I changed my mindset. Or you know what, Konie? Now we are going to eat properly and work out and drink a lot of water. As I'm talking to you guys right now, it's around 9, but look, this is like a 2 liter. This is my beste bumba. It's always next to me. If you don't have a 2 liter, you can take 1 liter or whatever. Just make sure that it's always, as I was saying, sorry about that guys, this video will be all over. As I was saying, this is your beste bumba. Water must be your beste bumba. You must drink like at least 2 liter per day. So when it comes to your eating, guys, I know if you're someone who eats a lot, you won't just cut everything at the same time. So what I would advise you is just to cut like your portion. You must use, like, you see, one hand. It must be rice, one hand, a little bit of meat, maybe 2 salads, and you should stop eating starch. Not stop, but you should like try your best just to cut it out. If you can't, you can just have like small portion, or maybe you can have it twice a week. Things like when it comes to your sauces and everything, your mayonnaise, your tomato sauce, your chilies, whatever, your Nando sauce, whatever, just make sure if you're going to add that, add a little bit. Remember, when you let me make an example with washing your white clothes or white shoes. When you wash those clothes, it's so painful. It's the same as waking out, guys, and then you decide to go out and play in mud with those white clothes. It's like you decide to come back and eat junk food. You're wasting your time. You're basically wasting your time. I know it's not easy for you to cut everything off. I was someone who used to eat takeaway every week. I'm telling you, I would eat takeaway every week, but right now I eat takeaway once in 2 weeks. Okay, and that is working for me. It doesn't mean that if you're cutting everything off, now you don't eat takeaway anymore. I know when you go to a restaurant, you can't go there and order a salad. I know, right? I have that mindset. You already know I can make this salad at home. I'm here to eat something that I've never tasted. That's my mindset, but I'm working on that. So the other thing that I can tell you guys is that consistency, dedication. And I'm telling you, there's no one who will come and take your body and go wake up and bring it back, or eat whatever nice things and bring it back. You have to do it because it's your body. At the end of the day, it's your body, and at the end of the day, you need to achieve your goal. And if you're not ready, I'm telling you, go wake out for a week and come back and chill, or do whatever technique and come back and chill. So I'm someone who, if I do, for example, eating after 12, if I do it like for a month, I get bored. So basically what I do is maybe the first week I'll do that technique, eating after 12, and then the second week I'll do something different, maybe liquid diet, and the third week so for it to motivate me. There's a lot of videos here on YouTube, guys, where you can try different techniques, and I'm telling you, you will lose that mafuta. I've lost 5 kg because lockdown. I've gained 10 kg and my body was heavy. I felt it. My face was swollen. Oh God, I'm pregnant. It doesn't, like, at that time, it doesn't mean that I was not loving myself. I was loving myself, but I was not happy with my body. The time I recognized or saw that, yeah, now, it's time, is the time that ke ile ko scaling, guys. I took the scale and I scaled myself, and the scale was saying 61 kg. That was the time I was like, nah, this is not me. And at that time, got locked down. Remember, we were not going out, so I was not wearing my clothes, so I couldn't notice, or okay, this jean does not fit me anymore. So after going to the scale, I decided to open my wardrobe and start wearing my clothes. And guess what? I was disappointed. I was just hating myself. But because I know my body, I have like some of my clothes are big and I love them like that. So I was able to wear some of my clothes and you wouldn't notice like that I've gained a lot of weight. But I was big, okay? I was big and I was cooking too much and I was just happy, man, and some of the fat was just happiness fat. So I told myself that I wanted to lose like 10 kg. Right now I've lost 5 kg and I'm loving my body. I'm loving my body. I don't think I'll go back to 50 kg. Because remember, I'm also getting old. So I don't want to be that mutatarepe that I used to be. I'm loving the meat that I have. However, when I go to gym, I hate running. So when I started working out, I substitute the running, the treadmill, what, with a skipping rope. I enjoyed doing the skipping rope. So I'll do like 1,000 per day, 1,000 per day. But I wouldn't see any results because I was eating junk. I was eating shitty food. That's when I realized, I'm just wasting my time. But I knew that I was also preparing my body to be ready. The other thing is that right now when I go to gym, I don't do cardio, guys. I hate cardio. I remember I signed up with Vision Active 2017 or 2018, and then I was doing a lot of cardio, guys. I lost everything. I was mutse to the reps. I lost everything because I didn't know that you need to do this in order for you to get this. So right now what I do is I lift weights for to change my fat to be muscles. That's what I learned on YouTube. If you don't want to lose your booty, you need to do those those exercises where you lifting but you also squeezing your glutes hard. So I really avoid doing I don't skip anymore. So while I do weights and everything, while I'm doing weights, that's when I'll lose the fat and gain muscles. So guys, there's no secret in losing weight, to be honest. It's what you eat. It's what you eat, and you must be patient with your body. You must be patient with yourself. Don't beat yourself up. I just told myself, you know what, this year I'm achieving my goal. Okay. So I basically drink a lot of water. I drink a lot of water, and I have like 2 meals per day. I'll have a meal in the morning and I also have a meal in the afternoon. If I'm doing the after eating at 12 technique, I'll eat it after 12, and at the evening I usually don't eat. So the other thing that helps the 12 technique is that in the morning I boil water and add lemon. So I drink water and lemon. That helps me not to be hungry, and I don't think about food. Guys, when you think about food, every time you just want to eat. You just want to eat because you're thinking about food. And sometimes what I realized is that I'm eating because I want to eat. I'm not eating because I'm hungry. That's when I changed my mindset. No, sweetie, we can't be eating because we have to eat, because you're halaling Nando's. No, you need to eat it because you are hungry. I know that I'm still, but then I'm loving my body right now compared to this body that I had right here. But it was, but the waist part, it was just too much. The mukaba part, it was just too much. I couldn't walk. I would walk and then I would feel yeah, now one you. And sweet things, guys. Now I have a sweet teeth. I love sweet things. I love chocolate. I love, as long as if it's sweet and junk, I am that girl. I love and enjoy those things. Right now I don't buy sweets anymore. If I'm buying sweets, I'll buy a small packet to eat for now and forget about it. Remember, Pick and Pay have that sale, you get 5 chocolates for 50 rand, you get 3 packet of chips for 45 rand. I even know them by head. Because I am that girl. I love sweet things, I love junk, I love snacking, I just enjoy eating. But right now it's not about me eating snacks and everything, because at the long running I'll regret. It's better for me to do it now than later on regret. And it doesn't matter if you decide to work out now and then next week you leave and then go back. You're not a failure. Let me tell you something. You're not a failure until you give up and just throw in the towel and tell yourself that, you know what, I won't be doing this anymore. You're not a failure. A failure is that person that just throw in the towel and give up. So we're now who's trying and trying and trying. That shows that you want it and you're working on it and you're not giving up on yourself. Just be patient with yourself, guys. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. If you have any questions, if you want me to do a video to show you guys what I eat, if you want me to do a video to show you guys how the workouts that I do for me to reduce my mukaba, the stomach, the stubborn fat. I still have the stubborn fat, but my tummy, it's flat compared to last year. So yeah, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Until next time, from me to you, mwah, bye. I hope this video helps someone out there. Toodles.